Hey, what is going on mga ka-educated? This is me again, EJ. For today's video, pag-aaralan natin ang prepositions of time sa pamamagitan, bubulol ako, sa pamamagitan ng isang brutal police interrogation. Let's begin. You will start talking now because our top detective is here.
Tell me, when did you last see Senor Pedro? When?
I ain't telling you anything.
You think you're tough, huh? If you don't open your big mouth now, I'm gonna blow your head off.
Sir, how about we unleash the beast?
That's pretty scary, but this guy leaves me no choice. If you don't talk, I'm gonna bring out my flesh-eating monster.
Nothing can scare me.
Aha! You'll see, you'll see. Here you go.
Okay, just put that thing away. I have a family.
Now we're talking. So, when did you last see Senor Pedro? What day?
On the 25th, on Sunday. I mean, on a Sunday morning.
So, in the morning, huh? What year?
In 2018,
What month?
in December.
Just give me the entire freaking day!
Okay. On December 25th. On December 25th, 2018. At Christmas.
So, it happened on a Christmas day. What time?
I don't remember anymore. Maybe at noon or at around 11 a.m.
You know, I was just messing with you. This creature is actually very sweet and very nice.
So ito yung words and phrases na lumabas sa brutal police interrogation kanina. Charan! Bakit kaya natin ginamit yung at, on, in for these words and phrases? Let's find out sa pamamagitan ng ruler na ito. First, kailangan nating malaman that at, this preposition is used for specific time of the day or holiday periods. On the other hand, is used for days and dates. In is used for longer periods of time. Okay, so now let me use this ruler. So at specific time of the day and holiday periods. So, parang ganyan lang siyang kaliit. Okay? So meron tayong isang range ng time dito. Alright? Range of time. At kung sabihin natin at, yan, specific time or holiday period. Siguro mas malaki eh. Alright? On the other hand, days or dates. So, pwedeng ganyan siyang kalaki. So, at, on, and then, in. Alright? At, on, in. In is for longer periods of time. So, longer periods of time. Alright? Parang ganyan. Did you get it? Malinaw ba? So, at 11 a.m., at noon, meaning 12, or at midnight, also 12, at Christmas, referring to a holiday period, on the 25th, on Sunday morning, the focus there is still Sunday. On Christmas Day, now we have the word day there, so now we know that it is referring to a certain day. on December 25th, 2018. This is a complete date. But our focus there is also the day, 25th. So in 2018 year, in December month, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but it's at night, not in the night, at night.
You know, I was just messing with you. This creature is actually very sweet and very nice. See, I told you.
So there you have it for our lesson on prepositions of time. This is actually just a simplified lesson on prepositions of time. I know there are a lot of gray areas as far as prepositions are concerned. No worries, I will be making more videos on prepositions. If you learned something or enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, you hit like, and turn on the notification bell so that I can update you with my future content. Once again, this is EJ. Always remember, be educated and have the edge. Until next time, peace.